Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kik, access streaming platform step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or launch the Kik app on your phone. Type kik.com in the address bar or tap the Kik app icon to start. Wait for the Kik homepage to fully load on your screen. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right of the page. Click Login on desktop or tap Login on mobile to open the sign-in page. Choose the login method offered on your screen, such as email, username, or connected account options. If you already have a Kik account, select the option that matches how you registered. Click or tap the email or username field to activate the input box. Enter your registered email address or username carefully, without extra spaces. Click or tap the password field to continue. Type your password slowly and double-check for correct capitalization. If available, use the Show Password icon to confirm you typed it correctly. Make sure your caps lock key is off if your password is case sensitive. If you are on a personal device, you can enable Remember Me to stay signed in. Avoid enabling Remember Me on public or shared computers for security. Click or tap the Login or Sign In button to submit your details. Wait a few seconds while Kik verifies your account information. If you see an error, recheck your email or username and re-enter your password. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email address and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Return to the login page after resetting and sign in again with the new password. If Kik asks for verification, complete any required email or SMS code step. If you use a connected account login, follow the prompts to approve access. Once logged in, confirm by checking for your profile icon or username on the top bar. Click your profile to access account settings and confirm your details are correct. If you want to watch streams, use the search bar or browse categories on the homepage. If you want to chat, make sure you are logged in so your messages appear under your account. For a smoother experience, update your browser or app if you notice loading issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.